Hey everyone, Golden Ninja 3000 here again. Today, like I said, I'm going to talk a little bit about the idea of mine that was selected for development on LEGO World Builder. I can't talk about it a lot, but as you can see, I'm back on brickset.com, and that's because I actually got the opportunity to write up an article for them about LEGO World Builder. It's kind of just like a text version of what I talked about in my beta testing video that I uploaded yesterday. So I would really love it if you guys went and checked this out. Like, this is a really huge thing for me. I'm very excited for this. I'm super excited that I'm like one of the first people to have their ideas selected. I'm really glad that I got to like write up this article for Brickset. So I'd really love the support if you guys could go check it out. But over here, I'm just talking a little bit about the beta testing process and everything. So I'll put the link down in the description. And I was also replying to some comments that people had. Now, I can talk a little bit about the actual idea because Tongle and Lego did publish this Wall Street Journal article about World Builder, and I thought I was not supposed to say anything until my idea came to fruition. But it is mentioned down here that, let me get to the bottom here, that Lego has bought two projects from the beta testers, including a 3-minute animated video tied to Ninjago. The premise lays out various what-if scenarios set in the Ninjago universe, and Keith Malone, the director of entertainment at LEGO, said it's from a young man who is a student in Canada. Now, that is me. This project is mine. So, again, all I can say really is that it's a 3-minute animated video tied to Ninjago, and it'll have like kind of alternate reality what if scenarios in the Ninjago universe. I really love that. This idea kind of stemmed from Marvel's like what if series. I mean, like alternate realities are very popular, but obviously like Marvel's gearing up to do that next year, and I am a huge Marvel fan. And so that really inspired me to do this for Ninjago, because as I said, the first creative prompt during beta testing regarded Ninjago. So I'm super excited for this. I've been a fan of Ninjago since like 2012, so not quite from the beginning, but I've really, really loved it for like 8 years now. And so to be able to like make my own little mark on the theme is just really exciting for me. There's still a long process to go. Again, I don't want to say too much. I am bound by contracts, but I will be updating you guys more when I can say more. Probably won't be for quite a while, but when this idea is complete, you guys will definitely hear about it. So I hope that you guys stay tuned, and I hope you guys keep supporting my channel, because I'm really hoping that this will raise my profile a little bit and make my channel more popular. But yeah, that's pretty much all I can say for now. I will put the links to both of these articles in the video description, and I hope that you guys are as excited as me to see what comes out of this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.